everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Advaita Tiwari and today I'm going to talk about 18 things I learned in 18 years of my life. So for you all, I have tried to convert them into quotes. So if you like them, you can use it for yourselves. So starting with my most favorite out of all, and that is everything in your life should be a part of your life and not actually your life. You should never entitle anything or anyone as your life because the moment you do so, you should know you're losing your life. We all know nothing is permanent in our life. We tend to move apart from people, and that's how life works. And that's why, if we move apart from something or someone who we have entitled as our lives, we are ultimately gonna lose ourselves the moment we lose them. Don't ever lose yourself for someone. No one deserves to be entitled as your life. You are the only person who deserves to be your life and entitled to be as your life. Now, the second one is the hardest of all is to make a choice. I think after making a choice, everything gets really easy. But the process of making a choice is the toughest out of all because it's just the fact that we have to leave something that we thought could be something we want. But always, when we make a choice, we should remember what we are choosing. Their worthiness should always be greater than what we are leaving behind. We should never be filled with regret कि यार वो वाला choose कर लेते. And that's why I feel कि it is hardest because sometimes we feel like we made the wrong choices, but it's okay. We don't know things. Life is uncertain, so it does not matter that much. Third one is something that hurts when I say, that is, some of the best people of your life are meant to be temporary. We come across certain people who come in our life to make us grow, to build us, to make us find ourselves, and the moment they have done this all, they just leave because that's the reason, that's the motive of them coming into our lives. And as soon as it is done, they have to leave. And I think it's important that we should let them go because we don't want that relationship to fade. And at the end, we have the memories with ourselves. Memories can never fade. We will always going to cherish them no matter what happens. The next one is a knowledgeable person will always be greater than an educated person. No degree can define someone as a knowledgeable person. People can be educated but still not have knowledge. Does not mean that people who are educated and have degree are not knowledgeable. I'm just talking on the fact that education is important but knowledge is superior than education no matter what. Bro, facts are the more attractive things. You give me facts, I'm all yours no matter what. Greatest of all achievement in life is to live your life. Life is meant to be lived and it's not meant to be survived. No matter what you think that this might be something that defines the purpose of your life. No, nothing can define the purpose of your life more than living your life. A lot of people, a lot of us just forget to live our lives because of certain materialistic things that we find to be more important than living our lives. And later on, we definitely regret it. Choose to listen to people's experiences over unnecessary conversations. Bro, literally, I am all about experience. I can listen to people for hours and hours if they are telling me about their experiences. I am so much into people experience. I just love it. I think it's just more fascinating to listen to people's experiences because it's just so different. I think having unnecessary conversation just drains our energy, whereas just listening to people experiences makes us most close to them. I think experience is everything, everything. So choose experience, choose wisely. I'll say choose wisely. This one, if I could say for 1,000 times, I would be saying this for 1,000 times, and that is express yourself. I have been the most unexpressive person in all these years of my life, but I think it's really important to express ourselves because we need to get certain things out of our heart, out of our head, so that we can feel relieved. Also, recently I've realized that we should let people know how much they mean to us, how much power they hold, because we are never going to know when is the last time we are meeting them. We lose contacts each day, every day. We grow apart, and people deserve to know how much they have helped you, because I think it's just everyone is going through different kind of battles. It just gives them the power that if I can help someone else, I can help myself too. Let them know the power they hold. The next one is money is important. I've seen a lot of people saying that money does not buy happiness. True, it might not, but does not mean that it does not contribute to your happiness. I mean, bro, money is important. If sleeps makes you happy, you need to have bed, you need to have pillows, and you buy it from money. If food makes you happy, you need to have money. You need food. You have to buy food. Do you get me? Can you feel me? Can you connect with me? Please connect with me. I want you to connect with me. Look at into my eyes. Feel me. Okay, I'll stop being over dramatic and act like a sensible 18-year-old now. The next one I want to emphasize on is stop explaining yourself. Stop giving explanations. Stop making yourself feel like you are unworthy. I think explaining yourself just it means losing your importance. You cannot constantly explain yourself to people. And what is the necessity of explaining yourself if you are close to someone? They should know you. There should never be a chance of explaining yourself to someone. What क्या फ़ायदा है ऐसे रिलेशन का अगर सामने वाला इंसान आपको समझ ही नहीं पा रहा है? क्या फ़ायदा है ऐसी दोस्ती का कि अगर सामने वाला इंसान आपको समझ ही नहीं पा रहा है तो it's just all vain. Stop putting your energy on explaining yourself to others. You don't owe it to them. They don't owe it to you. The next one is the most amazing feeling of life is finally finding yourself. Trust me, nothing, no feeling can replace this. The feeling of finally finding yourself is superior. I can put thousands of greater than signs over there because it's different. It finally feels like you're home. You are you now, actually. It's amazing. Celebrate yourself. You are the only person who's going to be the most permanent in your entire life. So you need to celebrate yourself each day. The next one is learn communication skills. The most important out of all is learn communication skills because it's going to help everywhere. And communication skills also include being a good listener. If you're not, start listening to people. The two keywords of life are ignorance and acceptance. Ta-da! If you have permanent problems in your life and you can't do anything of it, if you have no solutions of it, ignore it. Acceptance is the first step of every solution. Every problem solution have certain steps, and the first one is to accept. Learn the art of voicing your strong opinions. No matter what, you should not shut down for any person. Voice your opinions. It's really important. You are important. Your voice is important. We live in a democratic country, bro. If we can't voice ourselves in front of people we love, in front of people we think understand us, then how can we voice ourselves in front of people we don't know? Everything starts in your home. This one is my father's greatest advice and I stick by it, and that is nobody is expecting anything from you. You don't have to expect anything from anyone else, but all you need to be is kind to people. सबने ये सुना होगा कि you should not expect anything from anyone, but also know that nobody is expecting anything from you. Release that pressure of fulfilling people's expectations because nobody is expecting anything. People are busy in living their lives. किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता है यार कि वो आपसे expect करते बैठे. But हाँ, be kind because kindness comes back. People will always know how you treated them, how kind you were. It's important to be kind. Next one is no risk, no story. This is something I want to implement because I used to fear a lot about taking risks, but I think if you don't take risk, you can't create stories. I don't think it has a lot of explanation. Understand yourself, bro, please. I can't give explanation for everything. The most scariest thing in life is not death, but the fear itself. Fear makes you die 1,000 times, but death only makes you die one time, if that makes sense. I mean, death is peaceful, to be honest, but fear makes you do things you don't want to, makes you not do things you want to. Stop fearing, start living. We do not believe in most things that we should believe in simply because they are too simple. We have accepted the fact that life needs to be complicated. Life has to be a very, very, very tough maths problem because life cannot be easy. Life cannot be simple. Definitely, life cannot be easy, but life is simple. Stop finding complexity in everything. We're not giving maths paper, yaar. Life is simple. You need to just start accepting it. And I would like to wrap up this video by saying that mental health over everything. I think especially in this time where we are going through, I think the amount of importance we have given our physical health in our lives, surely I definitely do not disagree कि हमें अपने physical health को neglect करना चाहिए. We should focus on it, but mental health is everything. You can fight the toughest battles of your life if you're strong from here. But if you're weak from here, if this is not right, you cannot even take a single step in your life. But if you are right from here, you can do anything. Literally, you can fight from death itself. This is a lifelong investment. Invest in it. Do it. And with this, I would like to end this video. I know I was very over dramatic in this video, but I don't know why. I just felt each of this quote so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, comment that down below. And if you want to be the part of the family, subscribe to the channel. The last time I said this, a lot of people did subscribe, so I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.